Okay, and here's going to be the unboxing rip for the 2021 Illusions Mega Box. Hoping to find a really good auto or mem card. Hope to find at least one and a couple exclusive to the Mega Box parallels. Also could find an Ultra Rare Halo Heroes insert. Let's see if we can pull a gem here. That'll be 7 packs. 5 cards per pack. Who do you collect? So again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one might have a little more on it, so we'll open up the rest. That'll might likely be the one with the parallel, but you know. So, nice packaging, 5 cards, Illusion series. Right off the top, little rookie card, Zach Wilson for the Jets. Rookie card, Terrence Marshall Jr. I heard these are called Stardust. That's a rookie card. Terrence Marshall, guy out of LSU. Really like that player. But he is with the Panthers. That would be who got credit for that guy. Nice little card. Devonta Smith, Eagles Mystique. I like these cards because they're see-through. Pretty just neat, you know. It's a rookie card too, so that's a pretty sweet card for the Eagles. Got a Derrick Henry base card for the Titans, and then Kadarius Toney base card, rookie card though, for the Giants. I think that's a pretty good pack right there. Alright, we got rookie card, Tyler Wallace for Baltimore, the Ravens. Got a T. Higgins for the Bengals. I like that player. Stephen Diggs for the Bills. We got rookie card Jalen Darden for the Bucks, Buccaneers, Tampa Bay player there, and a Jalen Hurts quarterback for the Eagles, a Philly card right there. New Orleans Saints, Ian Book rookie card right there. If you remember from the last pull, we got the playoff mem card, Ian Book right there. Rookie Stallions, a piece of the jersey there. So if you're a Saints fan and you got with this pull for both of these, you would have had those 2 cards. For sure. Browns, Nick Chubb, Cleveland. Javonte Williams, rookie card. Javonte for the Broncos, Denver. Taysom Hill, New Orleans Saints. Kene Nunjwa. I'm sorry, guys. It's a rookie card for the Vikings. Minnesota. credit for that one. Two things in the pack so far. Miles Gaskins, Dolphins, Miami Dolphin card right there. Kyler Murray, Arizona Cardinals. We have him. Matthew Stafford, Super Bowl winning quarterback for the Los Angeles Rams. Yep, that was the LA Rams. Get that guy. Kansas City Chiefs, Patrick Mahomes. Knows a little something about Super Bowls. Not so great this year at getting there, but we know he'll be back, so that's a good pull for Kansas City Chiefs all the time. And the Dwami Brown, it's a rookie card for the Washington football team, who I believe we can now officially call the Commodores. So, Washington football. There you go. Justin Herbert. Good card there for the Chargers fans or collectors. Here's sure what we call that one. Galaxy. It's pretty shiny card. It's got some red in it. It's for the Eagles, so it's not team color related, so I'm sure that's a parallel deal. But that's Miles Sanders. Get that if you're pulling with the Eagles. Ryan Tannehill. Another one of those illusionist cards that I like. Just the makeup of the card. I think it's pretty neat. Value, not so much, but Tennessee Titans. Go to you guys. We got a Jets. New York Jets. Jamison Crowder. Pretty good player for you guys. Base card. We got a DJ Shark. It's one of my former LSU Tigers, but now plays for the Jacksonville Jaguars. So, Jacksonville Jaguars. Get credit for that pull. Two more packs. Cornell Powell rookie card for the Chiefs. Kansas City. Christian McCaffrey, Rising Stars. Kyler Murray, Rising Stars. So let's say Rising Stars. Guy's a pretty good player for the Panthers. So Carolina Panthers. And of course, Kyler Murray. Arizona Cardinals. Cool card. Shiny star. It's a gold lettering all in it. Gold holograms. Carson Wentz. It's Indianapolis Colts player. And Miami Dolphins. Jalen Waddle. Rookie card. So, there we go. Last pack. So, hoping there's some sticker. The one that had the auto with a mill. Yep, it's in there. You always see when one's just a little thicker. So we got Jaguars rookie card. Travis Etienne. And it's backwards. So it's going to be our mem card there for Tennessee Titans. Get that auto. So superlatives, Bud Dupree, Tennessee Titans, 2021 Illusions auto card right there. King of Cards, Indianapolis Colts, Peyton Manning. It's a pretty cool card. Jamar Jackson, Baltimore Ravens card there. And a rookie card. Patriots player Ramondre Stevenson. Probably didn't say his name right, but that's pretty cool. So like I said, just trying to base this out on what it would look like if you were doing a team pull, whether specific or random, and ended up with one of these teams. If you did a division pull, whether picked individually or random, and you ended up with some players like this. So out of my 2 sets, we got a mem card and we got an auto. So again, I'll go through and kind of get some price points on these, figure out the spreadsheet on them to see, you know, what kind of RTI we would get on an Illusions Mega Box set and a playoff blaster pack. Check out the next video.